I just think lots of politicians go on these comedy shows and they've decided in the past few years that that's like an okay place for them to be, and they can sort of like comedy wash their persona and go, aren't I great?
Penny's always been such a supporter of disabled people. You're very supportive of like the prosthetics industry. You were at you were promoting on Twitter an arms fair in Saudi Arabia recently. I think it's brilliant. Warmongering has always been a male-dominated industry. And you've really smashed the glass ceiling. I'm very proud.
It's one thing to challenge somebody when they're not there, like if you're on a stage, but when the person is a human being sitting beside you on a sofa, as that setup was, that's not easy.
It is that scary moment of, I'm going to say something that's going to make this person like uncomfortable. They're not going to like that I'm going to say this. But I remember like a few years ago, I had a New Year's resolution of like, oh, I don't want to talk poorly about people behind their back anymore. There's two ways to achieve that. You can either stop talking poorly about people, or you can start talking poorly about them to their face. It's very easy for politicians to quietly do nefarious or nasty or problematic things that they don't get called out on. That's what I end up doing. If it feels like nobody else is going to do it, I'm like, well, I guess I'm the only person ignorant enough to...
I have to do this again. Do you feel, though, you have an obligation to say stuff about things you see that you feel are unjust?
What I want to do is represent the feeling of trying to be a good person in the world today. And I think this is something a lot of people struggle with at the moment, of like living ethically.
You're going to the States then in next month?
5 days. Yeah, I'm in America for all of May, just while it's all nice and chill over there.
How do you feel about the whole thing, about going to America in the first place and walking into the cauldron?
I'm conscious that in about 5 days I have to talk to a border security official.
Oh, yeah.
So I don't want to get myself in trouble.
Give a suitable answer.
So I'm really looking forward to it. I think it seems like a very stable country at the moment, and I can't wait to spend lots of money there.
Delighted to hear that. I'm delighted to hear that, and I think they'll be delighted to see you as well.